Hello, this is Group 18. Today we are going to release a powerful robot platform, Raccoon, with a newly designed tightening structure. The two-split spacebar is a common structure installed on two parallel transmission wires to prevent them from tangling with each other. Currently, the workers endure high risk to travel along the transmission wires and install the spacebar manually. Our robot platform applies the remote control strategy to make this work safer, easier, and more accurate. The current platform consists of a 6-wheel traveling mechanism, a storage space for at most 3 spacebars, and an installing mechanism. Our project aims at designing an additional tightening structure, optimizing the current platform, and developing the entire control logic. The sliding table will first bring the clamp right beneath the spacebar. Then, the lifting table will go upward to take a spacebar with a compact cylinder fixing its position. After a series of translation and rotation, the spacebar will be moved above transmission wires without having interference. A set of servos will then function, moving the hooks to both sides of the spacebar. With the help of a group of air cylinders, the claw of the spacebar will be picked up. The lifting table will move downward to hand the spacebar on the wires. Our newly designed tightening structure can help the platform to finish the final step of the installation. On each side, the tightening mechanism consists of a screw rod-based lifting table, a servo-driven clamp, a linear actuator, and a pin inserting structure. The lifting table will first make the linear actuator point towards the claw of the spacebar. Then, the clamp will rotate to lock the spacebar on the wires. The claw will be pushed by the linear actuator, and the pin will be finally inserted to fix the spacebar's position. The pin has been redesigned with a tiny spring inside to lock itself after it passes through the hole. The platform is based on Arduino IoT Cloud and leverages Arduino Giga R4 to control multiple actuators and process sensors data. 3 cameras driven by ESP32 are installed on the platform, providing real-time videos to achieve the remote control functions. The reliability and feasibility of all the components have been tested with a safety factor of 1.5. Right now, our team is conducting a series of assembly and testing. Are you curious about the final prototype? See you at Expo!